Introducing the KonGeeker dual-purpose razor, a revolution in grooming technology. The floating 6-blade head significantly enhances the cleanliness of your shave without harming your skin. The integrated camera, complete with a built-in light, connects to your smartphone app, allowing you to ensure a thorough shave, even at the back of your head. Designed with ergonomics in mind, it offers an exceptional grip for comfortable use. LED screen, keeping you informed at all times. One-touch operation with 2 speed settings ensures a personalized grooming experience. Enjoy a fast and efficient shave, whether dry or wet, catering to your preference. And with USB-C charging, powering up your razor is quick and straightforward.